Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to clean up leftover registry entries with Bulk Crap Uninstaller in 2026. Let's get started. First, open Bulk Crap Uninstaller and select the program you want to remove. Next, click Uninstall and complete the normal uninstall process. After the program has been removed, Bulk Crap Uninstaller will automatically check for leftover files and registry entries. If prompted, click Scan to begin the cleanup process. When the scan is complete, you'll see any remaining registry entries that were left behind by the uninstalled program. Carefully review the detected entries, then click Delete selected to remove them. Confirm the action when prompted. Once the cleanup is finished, click Finish or Close. That's it. You've successfully cleaned up leftover registry entries using Bulk Crap Uninstaller. This helps remove leftover traces and keeps your system cleaner after uninstalling applications. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.